This is a really cool idea the teacher thought of. It's called the cause and effect solution bulletin board. Teacher built this in the classroom. And basically, the cause and effect bulletin board says that I've destroyed materials. What was the effect? Well, myself and others had no crayons, and that's not the way to use them. The solution, when I'm mad, I back away from the materials. How clear is that? That's called problem solving. That's called cause and effect, knowing what the consequences are of my actions. So for kids who get in trouble in this classroom, sometimes their job is, I can't get privileges back until I add to the cause and effect bulletin board. I have to actually go up there and write down, what did I do? I left the playground. Effect, people didn't know where I was. The solution, stop where I am and sit down immediately and think. Pretty easy. I punched someone, I hurt them, and I didn't control myself. What's the solution? Move away and find help. These are little kid examples, but if you think about teaching cause and effect and accepting consequences, it's knowing what I did, the consequences of my action, and how I might be able to do it differently. So just a teaching method that's that simple can be embedded into the classroom. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.